think I've done another spoke.
When your spokes snap on a forestry path, you know it's time for a new wheel.
It's that one, yes, that one, I think. You've done two.
Holy Jesus, man! Can you try and wrap it around or something?
This one I can't.
And you're on that corner and it snapped. How? Oh, it's gone through my cassette there.
Oh. Let me just put my
I
bike
think
down.
I'm going to have to be calling it a day on the riding. Huh?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah. Where is it to?
That bend? Snap.
Yeah.
That's not right, darling, does it?
Yeah. I should do this.
I mean, this is a soft bend. It's going to be a new wheel. I'm not having another bass spoke like this.
No.
It's pointless, man. Nah.
Yeah.
New Hope Wheel ordered. For more Amflow adventures, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next.